Fishing rod, intelligent target selection technique for occluded objects, using point cloud analysis. Background. Target selection in virtual reality can be challenging, particularly for crowded or occluded objects. We present fishing rod, an occlusion-resistant selection technique that fine-tunes a point net backbone to predict the most likely target, from live scene point clouds around the cursor. Fishing rod offers new insights into VR interaction design, demonstrating its capability to integrate deep learning for more effective object selection in complex virtual environments. Comparison of selection techniques. First, ray casting. Second, bubble ray. Third, ray cursor. Collecting model data. Conducted with 9 participants in 5 different environments to collect data on object selection. This experiment involved repeated trials to select a target object highlighted in green. Now, this is an experiment video. First, fishing rod selection task in non-occluded. Second, fishing rod selection task in partially occluded. Third, fishing rod selection task in fully occluded. Fourth, fishing rod selection task in low density. Finally, fishing rod selection task in high density. Participants consisted of 10 men and 10 women, between the ages of 20 and 30.